Hello, good morning students. In this class our topic is formation of Y-bus matrix or admittance matrix. So first of all we understand the procedure of formation of Y-bus matrix. First we take our system in which there are total number of buses 4. Bus number 1 voltage is V1, at bus 2 voltage is V2 and bus 3 voltage is V3 and at bus 4 voltage is V4. At these all 4 buses there are 4 alternators are connected. One is G1, G2, G3 and G4. These 4 generators are supplying to the buses. Now these buses are interconnected with the help of transmission lines. So first we take a transmission line from generator 1 to bus to second bus. There is a line having admittance Y12, and from bus to bus 3 there is a transmission line having admittance Y23, and from bus 3 to 4 transmission line having admittance Y34, and from bus 4 to 1 there is a transmission line having admittance Y14. Now transmission line is parameters are considered as lumped parameters. So we consider charging admittance also. So here we use pi network of the transmission line in which there are charging admittances. For example, there is Y01, Y02, Y02 dash, Y03, Y03 dash, Y04 and Y04 dash, similarly Y01 dash. These are the charging admittance at the buses. Now procedure is that we have to apply nodal analysis at each bus. So we consider first bus number 1. At bus 1 incoming current is I1 and outgoing currents are, suppose this is I01, this is I0, I12, this is I01 dash, this is I0, I14. So apply KCL at each node. Apply KCL at each node. At node number 1, current I1 is equal to, at node 1, I1 is equal to, it is the sum of I01 plus I12 plus I01 dash plus I14. We are using nodal analysis. We are applying KCL at node number 1. So here incoming current is I1 at the bus and outgoing currents are I01, I12, I01 dash and I14. Similarly, at bus number 2, incoming current is at bus I2. So we write I2 is equal to, this is I02, this is I21 dash, this is I02 dash, this is I23 dash. So we can write incoming current is I2 and outgoing currents are I02, I21, I02 dash and I23. Now I2 is equal to I02 plus I21 plus I02 dash plus I23. Similarly, at bus number 3, incoming current is I3 and outgoing currents are I03, I23, I0 3 dash and I3 4. So we can write I3 is equal to I0 3 plus I2 3 plus I0 3 dash plus I3 4. Now at bus number 4 voltage is V2. Now we apply KCL. So incoming current is I4 and outgoing currents are I04, I34, I04 dash and I41. So KCL equation is I4 is equal to I34 plus I04 plus I04 dash plus I41. We know that I41 is equal to I14, but these are in opposite direction. So in this way, we apply nodal analysis at each bus. So we find KCL equations at each buses. So there are total number of buses 4. So we find 4 equations. Now these equations we can write in the form of admittance. So we can write first is so here I1 is equal to voltage at bus number 1 is V1. So V1 Y01 plus V1 Y01 dash plus V1 minus V2, line admittance is Y12 plus V1 minus V4 and line admittance is Y14, Y14. At bus number 2, I2 is equal to V2 Y02 plus V2 Y02 dash plus V2 minus V3 Y23 plus V2 minus V1 Y12 V2 minus V1 Y12. So this is the nodal equation at bus number 2. Similarly at bus number 3, at bus 3 I3 is equal to voltage is V3. So V3 Y03 plus V3 Y03 dash V3 Y03 plus V3 Y03 dash plus V3 minus V2 Y23 V3 minus V2 Y32 plus V3 minus V4 Y34. This is the nodal or KCL equation at bus number 3. At bus number 4, I4 is equal to voltage is V4. So we can write V4 Y04 dash V4 Y04 plus V4 Y04 dash plus V4 minus V3 Y34 V4 minus V3 Y34 plus v4 minus v1 y4 1, v4 minus v1 y4. So now we have obtained 4 KCL equations at bus 1, bus 2, bus 3 and bus number 4. Now we rearrange these equations. So now we simplify these equations and get admittance matrix or Y bus matrix. Now we simply write equation number 1 is this. So v1 y01 v1 y01 dash plus v1 y12 y12 v1 y14 and v2 minus v2 y12 minus v4 y14 into this is v2 and this is v4. Now this is the simplified form of the equation number first or KCL equation at node number 1. So we have simplified. First we collect the data associated with v1. So v1 take common and y01 v1 y01 dash v1 y12 v1 y14 and then minus v2 y12 minus v2 y12 minus v4 y14 minus v4 y14 v4 y14 equation number 1. Similarly we use equation number 2 at bus number 2. Second is I2 is equal to v2 y02 plus v2 y02 dash plus v2 minus v1 v2 minus v3 y23 plus v2 minus v1 y12 from this equation. Now we simplify this equation. So I2 is equal to, first we write what v1. So v1 is here minus v1 y12. So minus v1 y12 plus data associated with v2 y02 y02 dash plus v2 y23 v2 y14 y12 y23 y12. Okay, next is minus v3 y23 minus v3 y23. This is equation number 2. Similarly I3 is equal to, we can now write minus I3 is equal to here v1, there is no v1, v2 minus v2 y32 minus v2 y32 plus v3 y03 v3 y03 dash v3 y32 and v3 y34. So we write y03 plus y03 dash plus y32 plus y34 and next is minus v4 y34, equation number 3. Similarly KCL equation at node number 4, I4 is equal to, so here V1, this is V1, minus V1 y41, minus V1 y41, V2, there is no term of V2, V3 minus V3 y34, minus V3 y34 plus V4 y04, V4 y04 dash, and V4 y34 and V4 y41. So we can write y04 plus y04 dash plus y34 plus y41, y4. So these are the 4 KCL equations at bus number 1, bus number 2, bus number 3 and bus number 4. Now we can make a admittance matrix using these equations. So we can draw admittance matrix for the bus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So admittance matrix becomes now we draw admittance matrix using this data from these 4 equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. I1, I2, I3 and I4 is equal to here I1 get bar y01 plus y01 dash plus y12 plus y14 then minus y12 then 0 then minus y14 and v1 v2 v3 and v4. In this way we draw admittance matrix I2, I3 and I4. Similarly, here we write minus y21 and here y02 dash y21 y23 here minus y23 and 0. Similarly, from equation number 3 we get 0 and second is minus y32, third is y03 plus y03 dash plus y32 plus y34 and next last is minus y34. Now from equation number 4 we get minus y41 0 and minus y43 and then we get y04 dash plus y41 plus y43. So this is the admittance matrix for a 4-bus power system. So this matrix is obtained using nodal analysis and we apply KCL equation at each node and then we can find nodal equations or KCL equations at each node. So from these KCL equations we can admittance matrix in this way. So this simplified matrix becomes this y11, y12, y13, y14. So y21, y22, y23 and y24. y31, y32, y33, y34, y41, y42, y43 and y44. This is I1, I2, I3, I4, and this is V1, V2, V3 and V4. In this way, the value of y11 is equal to y01 plus y01 dash plus y12 plus y14. This is the value of y11, and y12 is equal to minus of y12. y13 is equal to 0, y14 is equal to minus y14. In this way, we can put the data in the matrix from KCL equations. So this is the Y-bus matrix. Now we take a simple example and then we draw Y-bus matrix. Question is there is a 3-bus power system. There is a 3-bus power system in which total number of buses are 3. So we consider these are the 3 buses, and this is transmission line. And at one bus there is a generator G. So data is given as 1 plus J2, 3 plus J3, and this line, this is the admittance y is equal to y is equal to, and for line number 3 data is given as 2 plus J1, 2 plus J1. Or in this question we have to draw Y-bus matrix. So we consider, suppose this is bus number 1, this is bus number 2, and this is bus number 3. Yeah, bus number 0, we can anything consider 3. So from this data, we can find admittance matrix. How we can find admittance matrix? In this question there is no charging current because shunt admittance is not considered in this question. So simply we have to calculate KCL equations using data of transmission line. So we know that for 3-bus system or admittance matrix, Y-bus matrix becomes 3 by 3. So data will be Y11, Y12, Y13, and Y21, Y22, and Y23, and Y31, Y32, and Y3. So we have to fill the value of Y11, Y12, Y13, Y21, Y22, Y23, Y31, Y32, and Y3. So from this network, Y11 is equal to means admittance at bus number 1. So we have considered bus number 1 is this. So here total admittance becomes sum of admittance this and this. So total admittance becomes at bus number 1, Y11 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, plus J3 and Y12 admittance Y12 is equal to -2 minus J1 2 plus J1. Similarly Y22 total admittance at bus number 2 is sum of this and this. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus J4 and Y21 is equal to 2 plus J1 and Y23 is equal to 3 plus J3 Y13 here Y13 is equal to 1 plus J2 Similarly at Y33 at bus Y33 and total admittance is 3 plus 1 4 plus J5 Y32 is equal to 3 plus J3 and Y31 is equal to 1 plus J2. Y31 is equal to 1 plus J2. But here we write these data with minus sign. Off diagonal data are written with minus sign. So this is the diagonal, and except this diagonal, all data are written with negative sign. Now Y bus matrix for the given question becomes Y11 is 3 plus J3, Y12 minus 2 minus J1, Y13 minus 1 minus J2, Y21 minus 2 minus J1, Y22 5 plus J4, Y23 minus 3 minus J3. Similarly Y31 minus 1 minus J2, Y32 minus 3 minus J3, Y33 4 plus J5. So this is the admittance matrix for this given question. Thank you for today class.